How to disable your Discord account. First of all, log into your Discord account using a browser. Once you're logged into your Discord account, click on the settings or your icon right to your Discord username. And here under your Discord account settings, scroll down. And here under account removal, you will see disable account. And if you disable your account, you can also recover your account at any time. So you want to take a break from Discord, then it's the best option to disable your account. So to disable your Discord account, here click on disable account. And if you have Discord server on your account, then you might need to transfer ownership of all servers that you own, or if possible, then you might need to delete it. So if you have Discord server, make sure you transfer ownership of all your servers to a different account. And if you don't want to do that and you want to delete your server, then you can do that as well. Now once you've done that, here you need to enter your Discord password in order to disable your account. So here enter your password and then click on disable account. And there it is. As you can see, I have been successfully logged out of my Discord account and my Discord account has been disabled. And that's pretty much it is. That's how you can disable your Discord account. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to log out of your Discord account from all other devices, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.